world is getting more and more connected. Everything is generating data. And Linde is part of this world. So the good news is we don't start on a greenfield. We have a perfect starting point. We have a lot of assets around there. We have cylinders, we have logistics operations, a lot of customer relations. Our cylinders, they generate tons of data because they move around the globe towards our customers, towards the filling plant. And we now use this data to predict where the cylinder will be needed in the future, as well where cylinders are mostly stuck in the past. Just imagine you would use a drone to zoom down on a simple thing like a barcode on an asset, extract this kind of information, so that gives you the exact location. Then you use this data to generate a prediction where it will be in the future based on correlation with other cylinders that behaved similar in the past. Modern technologies like machine learning allow us to leverage these assets. So we can use all the data that's coming back to build data models, to build prediction models. Imagine that you as a customer don't even know that you're running short on your product, but we know it in advance and deliver the product to the customer the moment the customer wants and needs it. That allows us to get closer to the customer, to improve their processes and to make sure that we're at the right time at the right customer.
In parallel to the engineering and construction of the new plant, we are creating a digital twin. This allows us to analyze the actual plant operation, to compare it with a digital twin. The twin is a virtual copy, making the reality transparent and measurable. We have over 1,000 plants worldwide in operation with more than 500,000 sensors, creating gigabytes of data every day. And we are now starting to exploit all the data and leverage the full potential. Take a compressor of an air separation unit, for example. There we have around 50 sensors creating a continuous stream of data. Now, by combining advanced data analytics and our operational expertise, we are able to predict maintenance activities in advance and avoid unplanned shutdowns. And this is what we are driving for. The foundation for this is data, always.
With virtual reality, we take our customers to a journey into his future plant, even before the groundbreaking ceremony. If the customer wants to invest in a new plant, you will need to see how you can accommodate this in the existing environment. Is enough space there? Can you access it properly? How would the plant look like after all? Virtual reality presents a great way now to make it tangible. Even for our own people, it's a great opportunity if you consider training and if you consider design reviews. We can just jump inside and we can walk to specific locations which might be very interesting for the customer to understand. So by taking the customer into the virtual plant, we can show them that we find the right solution and bring his idea to life.
Digitalization means for us much more than using tablets or an e-channel. Foremost, it means to combine our data with our knowledge. This allows us to create value for our customers.